Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Easter egg wreath. I'm going to start by base coating everything, and I'll go in first with limeade for my wreath leaf area. And I'm just base coating this with a number 12 flat. I carried on with that number 12 flat and used Dixie Belle Blue for my left egg, and now for my right egg I'm going in with soft pink. And then I will complete my eggs by going in with Daisy. It is a Dixie Belle chalk paint, which I use throughout this video. And you can purchase on our website, buildacross.com, along with the cutout and brushes that I'm using. Now I'm going in with a number 4 round, and I'm outlining each of my eggs. So I used Colonel Mustard for my yellow egg, Peony for my pink egg, and Peacock for my blue egg. And now I'm outlining / highlighting my leaf greenery wreath area with evergreen, and then I will just go in again with that number 4 round and highlight everything with a little bit of cotton, and then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.